Now, I want you to look at something. Are you looking at the screen right now? Now, this is supposed to have been taken right before he went to Makita's. Now, you notice the circle is circling a Yukon truck. Y'all see that? It is said by the person that took the pictures, took the video, whatever, that there was a man driving and a woman going live. That pulled up by him. Y'all see that, don't you? It's in the circle right there. Now, there's the Yukon. And there's the Yukon again. You see it? There's the Yukon again, parked right across the street from Makita's. Hello, somebody.
And let me add also that when I looked on Google, I saw another truck that you'll see that could look similar. And maybe he could have mistaken it for the truck. But how I know it's in the alley and it's not that truck is because you can see the trees in the picture as well.
Now, why is the same Yukon that was at the service station, why is it parked across the street in the alley? Somebody said that the guy Dolph's friend, he's the one who returned fire and killed one of the guys in the Mercedes. His name is Demon in the streets.